Okay, ready for the next step. On this step, we're going to put in our safety select switch. In this bag, it has the detent right there, along with the spring and your safety selector. Also going to need your grip. And to hold the grip in place, there is this bolt with an Allen, I think it's a 530, we'll see what that is. We are going to use a T30 on that. I find that's going to work well when we put it down in there. Okay, so what we're going to do is take the safety selector, put that in first. We're going to turn it over and just put the safety select in. Should go right through. Semi-safe, semi. Of course, you notice this says auto, but that's just a tribute to the M4. It does not have auto. So it's just going to be safe or safe. So we put that on safety. And then we're going to turn this upright like this. Let's see if you guys can see that. There's that hole right there over the back into the safety. We're going to use this detent with this flat part up. There's a point on this end that is going to go down. We're going to just drop it in that hole. And then this spring is going to go right on top. So what's going to happen is on your grip, there is a hole here as well. The spring is going to go from that hole there into that hole there. So if we keep those lined up and put that into place, so I'm just going to hold this spring there, line this up, get my hands out of the way so you can see. There's a spring, and we're going to just move it forward, and it's going to fall right into that hole, and you can feel the spring pulling out. What we're going to do is, here is your lock washer and your bolt. That's going to hold the grip into place. We're going to drop that in there and try to get it to line up. Let me turn this so you can see. There's a hole in there, that hole right there. That's where we're going to drop that bolt. So if I can drop that bolt in there, should be able to get it in place without this spring pushing this handle off. So let's just put it there. Get this where you can see it. All right, there. And that bolt right there. So we'll just tighten that down. Seems like it's in place there. There. Get that a little tighter. There. Get it snug. There. That washer's going to hold it in place. That's what it should look like on that side. Here's what it looks like on that side. And then there is your safety. Safe. Should snap right into place like that. If you look on the inside, go straight across. The spring is putting pressure on that and holding that in place. Okay. Seems like it's working pretty good. Let's go on to the next step.